Alright, so welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful and exciting tutorial, I'll be trying to explain a very nice service from Streamlit called StreamlitCloud Status, right? So it's a very nice platform that allows you to be able to check if any of your deployed apps on StreamlitCloud is alive, right? So this is similar to something like this. Is it down? So if I go back to is it down and I want to check if a particular site is up or down, I can just click on it. So if I go back here and I check, let's say DAXapp.com, right? And I click on is it down, it's going to tell me whether it is down or not, right? So DAXapp is not down. There's also another service like this. If I come back here and I check for, let's go back again, if Streamlit.io is up or not, you can see that it's going to give us information about it. So let's check it here. So Streamlit.io, hope you can see it well, and I can now click on check. It's going to analyze the platform or the service and give us information about whether the website is up or down. So it's checking, let's give us information about it. So Streamlit.io is up, right? Very nice. So with StreamlitCloud status, right, or with Streamlit status, you can check for all your cloud apps whether they are functioning, whether StreamlitCloud is functioning or not. This is specifically for StreamlitCloud, and then all the apps deployed there. So we have the dashboard, so you can check for the main dashboard so that the uptime, everything is operational. The app deploys, you can also see that it's also operational, but on the 15th of May, and it's like 2 days ago, there was a problem here, right? So you can see the colors change. Very nice. You can also come see for the apps, the main apps, and the same thing happened here. Perfect. You can see the number of time it took, right? There was a downtime here. Oh, okay. You can also check for all the data API requests. They are all operational. The operations are operational. The web proofs are also operational. And you can also see all the past incidents. So this was what happened on the 15th of March this year. You can see some information about it. Very nice. Okay, that is one feature of it. If I go back here and I click on view historical uptime and make it bigger, if I click on this, it's going to send me to a very nice part of the app, right, in which I can check like GitHub stuff. You can see that these are all the calendar, right? So there was no downtime from all the dates here, as you can see. Very cool feature. I can also go back again to the date in case I want to go to. It started on 1st of December. That was when this platform was built, right? So there are no downtimes. Very nice. That is very nice, cool. You can also change it from the dashboard to the app deploys, so you can see how all the deployed apps, if there is any downtime. There has not been any downtime ever since, except 15th of March. You can also check for the main apps itself. Right, very nice. So that is a very nice system, and I wanted to show you. Very cool and very nice. You can also check for the current status here by clicking on the current status for the Streamlit Cloud. So everything is operational. That is a very simple platform. So you can use this Streamlit status to check if Streamlit Cloud is operational. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In case you have any question or contribution, you can also put inside the comment section below, and see you in the next session, and then adios. Bye. So this is the reason I'm showing you that I was in Ukraine, and that's where I was, but now I'm safe. See you another time. Stay blessed.